Hello, before we start this video, I've just won this beautiful award at school.
Yep.
And my mum and dad are very proud of me.
We really are, yeah. So we're going to do a video now on capacity and volume, and this carries on from what we were doing before on mass.
Yeah. So the volume of a container is and the capacity of a container is a measure of how much volume of liquid it can contain.
Yeah. So 1 litre, which is a common unit of measurement, is 1,000 cubic centimetres. So,
in other words, a 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre cube would contain 1 litre of liquid, and that L is abbreviated.
Yeah, that's 1 litre. So that's what 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres, not to scale, of course, but you can visualise that, and that's 1 litre.
So 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres.
And that's the same thing abbreviated. So next time you go shopping, if you have a look at different bottles and different containers, you'll see they all have a measurement on there, probably in millilitres. Now, how do we do conversions then?
So we put the 1 on the left to maintain that consistency.
Yeah.
So like we said before, 1 litre equals 1,000 millilitres.
So just like before, if we're going from left to right, when it's written like that, we would multiply, and the other way around, we would divide. So 4.3 litres
equals 4,300 millilitres.
And we've got that because we've multiplied by 1,000, because we've gone from litres to millilitres. What about the other way around?
63,200 millilitres equals 63.2 litres.
You can see we've divided by 1,000 because we've gone that way.
So now we're going to look at the imperial system of how these conversions are made. So 1 pint equals 20 fluid ounces, which stands for FL with a finger space and then OZ.
Yeah.
And a gallon equals 8 pints.
And if you want to convert between metric and imperial, 1 fluid ounce is about 28 millilitres.
Yeah. So a pint is about 568 millilitres.
And finally, a gallon
is about 4.5 litres or 4,500 millilitres.
Yeah, whichever is easiest. So again, you can see we've got the ones on the left-hand side. So as before, going left to right would multiply and right to left would divide.
Yeah, just to maintain that little consistency again.
Yeah. The American system is a bit different. 1 pint is equal to 16 fluid ounces, but because of where we are, we're going to concentrate on the British
system.
imperial system.
So note that the American system is different, with 1 pint is 16. Compare a pint in the United States of America and the United Kingdom.
Yeah, that's why if you watch American films and TV programs, a pint of beer, for example, looks a bit different from what it does in the UK. So I've got the conversions up there, so we'll just do the same sort of thing again. So 3 litres to pints.
You can pause the video if you want to work it out yourself, so I'll give you 5 seconds to pause it.
Now, we haven't got litres and pints over here, but we do have millilitres and pints. Yeah. So we'd think about the 3 litres as being 3,000 millilitres. And because we're going from right to left on this, so we divide.
Yeah, and if you do this in your head, you can estimate it being about 5 to 6 pints.
Yeah, that's right. So 3,000 divided by 500, for example, and you're not going to be too far off.
Or you can round that and do 3,000 divided by 600.
Yeah, that's right. That works as well. So 7 gallons to litres. Well, this time we have got what we need. So we're going that way, left to right.
Yeah.
So what do we do?
So you times 4.5 by 7 to see what you need.
And then we get 31.5 litres, and it's as simple as that. So we just keep this in mind, and we should be able to do pretty much any conversion.
Yeah. So here's an exercise. So pause the video and work these out.
And the answers are on this slide, so you can check those to see that you got everything right. So I think that's about it.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video.
Bye for now.